What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video. Noneother here. Now today we're taking you out on another adventure over here in the Speedway, Las Vegas, known as Glittering Lights. It'll actually be the first time I'm experiencing this, as well as the rest of my family. Obviously, a Speedway is where they do the NASCAR stuff. There's actually a place where you can actually rent exotic cars to actually race out on the track. But today, Glittering Lights. I'm not sure what to expect, but if you guys want to learn more about it, I will have a link in the description for more information on it. That's all I got. Obviously, let's head out there. Obviously, you can tell it's that time of year, Christmas. Time to get with family, and then exactly what we're doing. We're actually gonna carpool together to kind of you know, do some family moments together, gathering, experience it all together. Glittering Lights is basically almost like a drive-through light show. That makes any sense. Should be pretty cool. So let's check it out. Let's do this thing.
Oh, there's 6.
And a puppy.
Yes.
And I give him a puppy sniffer.
We actually have 5 dogs.
5 dogs are fine. I have a bunch of treats. You are prepared. I love it. Oh no!
I got it. Thank you.
And I have candies for everyone.
Okay.
So this is candy and coupons from all of our sponsors.
Okay.
And then I also have sparkling ice drink waters for you guys from our sponsors as well.
Okay.
So 5 you said?
6.
6. $5.
Yeah. Thank you.
Since they're our sponsors, it's actually super good.
Okay.
It tastes exactly like cranberry soda.
Okay. Cool.
And it's sugar free.
Thank you.
So
Thank you
make
so
sure
much.
Your lights are off for as low as they can go.
Okay.
And then you're almost to the Boy Scouts and then the lights, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you.
Wow.
Wow.
Bella's enjoying it too.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
Alright guys, that pretty much includes glittering lights at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Now if you guys want to learn more about glittering lights, definitely check out the links down below and book your tickets to see it for yourself. Just a little warning though, you will be waiting quite a bit before you even get inside glittering lights. If you guys want to cut the line a little bit, definitely consider Fast Pass. Now you'll probably cut your time significantly if you check it out. Overall though, I had a good time with the family, just checking out the lights. And I do recommend for those who haven't seen it yet to at least check it out at least once. But that's pretty much all I got. Definitely if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and comment down below and let me know what your favorite part is. And what else you recommend seeing around Las Vegas during the Christmas and New Year's holidays. That's all I got. Till next time. Styles out. Aight, laters. Before you go though, check out the highlights from the Walmart drone light show here in Las Vegas as well.